Herbert Spencer's impact on social Darwinism. Herbert Spencer was one of the most influential thinkers of the 19th century, and his ideas have left a lasting mark on philosophy, sociology, and economics. One of his most well-known contributions was his role in developing and popularizing social Darwinism. This concept, which drew inspiration from Charles Darwin's theory of evolution, applied the idea of survival of the fittest to human society. Spencer's work laid the foundation for this controversial idea, and it has been debated and discussed ever since. Let us dive into what social Darwinism means, how Spencer contributed to it, and why it has had such a strong impact on history. To understand social Darwinism, you first need to think about how Darwin described evolution in the natural world. Darwin's theory was based on the idea that species adapt to their environment over time. Those that are better suited to survive in a specific environment pass on their traits to the next generation. Over time, this process leads to the evolution of stronger or more capable species. Spencer, although not a scientist, was fascinated by these ideas and decided to apply them to human societies. He believed that just as species compete for survival in nature, humans and their social structures also undergo a similar process of competition and adaptation. One of Spencer's most famous phrases was "survival of the fittest." Interestingly, this phrase was not coined by Darwin himself but by Spencer. He used it to explain his belief that individuals, businesses, and even entire societies would thrive or fail based on their ability to adapt to changing circumstances. In Spencer's view, this natural competition was not only unavoidable but also necessary for progress. He argued that when weaker or less capable individuals or groups failed, it allowed stronger or more capable ones to take their place, leading to overall improvement in society. Spencer's ideas were rooted in a philosophy known as laissez-faire, which means "let it be" in French. He believed that the government should not interfere in social or economic matters. In his opinion, attempts to help the poor, regulate businesses, or provide social safety nets disrupted the natural process of survival of the